testing out this mixer for the first time to make some meringue for a lemon meringue pie. So you can see the pretty cool beater attachments here and these scrapers on the side that help to make sure everything's not sticking to the sides of the bowl. And it's got this cover. It's two pieces that just locks in place. And I'm gonna plug this in. And I'm going to start it for a couple of minutes here.
In the world, it's always by stirring a bioflake. I accidentally
Well, I can't get siren closed in. It's over here. Oh, okay. What?
I'm going to put these in. I was using those, but I think I need to put in the whisk ones because there needs to be better mixing going on. All right, that seemed to work really good. They're all fully combined. The little pilthy bits are the coconut oil I'm using in this recipe. You know, that's what coconut oil does. The rest is going to be 5 cups of flour, so we'll see how it holds up for this flour. There's about 1.5 cups of flour left that I need to add. It sounds like the engine motor is having a little bit of a lag, but it's doing it. I don't know if I like this part. The top appendage, it's really in the way, and it's hard to get in and out. So a lot of trips back and forth to the sink to clean my hands, but it's all right. It's doing what I want it to do, and I like that.